Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 19/12/2022 and the time is 9:15. And as I mentioned many times that 23rd November, high and low will be the key for the market. And I was writing this date for the last, once the 23rd November was done. Even in this weekly forecast video, I clearly mentioned 23rd high and low is very crucial for Nifty, and it has to hold that level, which is nothing but 18,246. And today the exact low was 18,245. See, you can create your own resistance and support level based on the candle formation. After that, you can do a lot of postmortem. But time gives, before the patient admits into the hospital itself, whether this guy is going to live or not. And the future date is clearly designed by the market. And that date was based on astrological phenomena. 23rd November was the date. And today it was an amazing thing. And apart from that, BHEL did well. Recall what a breakout today. Phenomenal breakout today. And Adani literally rocked. Adani Port literally rocked. Adani Enterprises we really missed, but Adani Port was a rocker, and especially all the sugars was moving like crazy, Let's see all that. And we predicted the low of Bank Nifty and Nifty before the market opens itself, and that was the low today. So let's go and see all that. And if you go here, see this. See, you can say based on the technical thing, you can say 16th November will be the resistance and 21st November low will be the support. But it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. It works like this. The 23rd high and low, which is the important astrological date, that date high and low will be the dynamic support and resistance level which market creates on its own. And this date was predetermined much days and months before itself. And that is how this works. Today, if you see, exact low of today was the low of 23rd November. See how market works like this. That is how I say, whatever support and resistance which you are drawing, it is not the support and resistance level, because this date was predetermined much before, and market respects that date low to the core. So unless and until if market is not ready to give up that 18,246 on a closing basis, bulls can literally rejoice. And apart from that, our yearly number for 2023 is 18,351, and today it closed much above that. So as of now, till it holds 18,246, which is 23rd November low, you don't need to worry about the market. But break below, you need to be very careful. And tomorrow, many confluence dates are starting. And if you see last so many years, 20th December, market made the exact bottom, or predominantly it made the exact top. And most of the time it made the exact bottom. So let's see how the market is going to work out for tomorrow, because 20th is the very big day for market, and as well as you have 22nd and 23rd. So many confluence are happening. So it's better to play intraday and leave it off. Let the market settle after 23rd. Then we will see how the market is going to pan out from there. Mark the high and low of these 3 dates, and then we can come out with the solution of how to write the trend after that. So till that time, better to do a intraday kind of a stuff and exit based on the whatever profits you get on the intraday. Today, 1 minute fortune signals really did the wonder today. So till it holds 23rd November, you can simply hold up. And if you go to our WhatsApp, so before the market opened itself, we clearly mentioned this is the support for Nifty. Okay, bearish only below 18,250 and bearish only below 43094. And all these numbers is given to my people before the market opens. And this is the game changer number for the week. And here it is mentioned 18,250 and 43094. Till it is not going to give up these numbers for this week, you can stay long. if it goes below this level, you need to be very careful. But Nifty closed above the buy number, which is 18,307, and it closed at 18,420 level. And but Bank Nifty is unable to cross this number, which is 43,472. So unless and until it is not going above 43,472, you need to be a little bit of careful in Bank Nifty. But Nifty went above this level and it gave roughly around 120 points. Okay, so this is the number which we flash for the week. So use this number, and Adani, everything really rocked and all that, we have seen. So now let's go and see the numbers. So if you go to PPT, okay, so this is the first, I'm writing this from the beginning, that 23rd November. So this is the key point for the entire December. And that is why I kept this as a number first date. So the 23rd November low is 18,256. That is why I always keep this as a reference for the entire December, because this date knows everything for the entire December. Okay, it doesn't work on what your support and resistance which you are drawing on the top and bottom. It doesn't, market doesn't work that way. Maybe it will respect some time, but not all the time. Okay, when the time and the price merge, that is where it takes the bottom, and it is 23rd November, nothing else. Okay, and yesterday, 16th November high and low. Okay, again it held the 16th low, and it is not able to close above 16th high. And today it was a clear inside bar pattern in Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty. Any move above 16th December high, you will see a big move, because it is an intraday, it is an inside bar pattern. Any low below 16th low, you will see fall much further. I've already given all the targets in my weekly forecast itself. Okay, so now this is the number for this week. Kindly use it. And now the resistance will be here on the Nifty, and Bank Nifty is here, and the resistance is 43,472, and other resistance is already I mentioned here. Whichever you want to use, you use that. No need to confuse yourself with so many numbers. If you want to use only weekly, use only weekly. If you want to use only the expiry number for the weekly, use only that. If you want to use only the monthly number, use only that. Don't need to confuse yourself. Market respects everything. Market respects everything. Okay, so now coming here, Nifty again, the pivot is not able to close. That was the exact high today, 18,439. So it is not able to close that above the pivot number. Bank Nifty is, yes, it has closed above the pivot number. And this again, yesterday I mentioned 23rd November. See how market works, all that. And today our timing is literally wrong. Kindly go back and see what timings we gave on Friday and Sunday night, and how market respected the timing today. Okay, so this I already mentioned. 20th is a very important day for both the indices. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. Significant top or bottom will be made, is already made on this date. So kindly watch it. History will repeat on its own, and it will repeat. So kindly mark today, tomorrow's high and low, and take the trade accordingly. Okay, and this is the timing for tomorrow. This is the timing for tomorrow. Okay, and this is a new observation which we developed yesterday night, that be very cautious from January 29th, 2023 to June 21st, 2023. According to me, market should fall minimum 10% from here, from January 29, 2023. So be very cautious. But I'm not saying that you need to sell everything and get out there. Use your own system to be with the trend or to get out of the market. But past pattern shares after 29th January 2023 till June 21st, 2023, market will fall minimum 10%. Minimum 10%. So use it, be with the trend. Okay. So now again, these two numbers will definitely act as a resistance. Now this has become a support now, because Nifty future closed above this number. Also. So it sustained the yearly, the monthly one magic number today. It sustained that. One day it closed below, but today it sustained. Okay, so as of now, nothing to worry. And this is the bullish number and bearish number for the entire week for spot. And as of now, the buy is not triggered, and the sell is also not triggered. And if you see, I've given 18,223. Today, the low was 18,446. So the sell was not triggered in Nifty. Okay, and coming to Bank Nifty, same, nothing to worry about it. No sell was initiated and even no buy was initiated. So this was the number. These numbers will act as a resistance for tomorrow, and this number will act as a support for tomorrow. So watch out for this number. And many people requested me for this intraday number, but very difficult to write this. It takes a lot of time. But anyway, I've done this for today. So kindly use it for tomorrow. Kindly use it for tomorrow. And coming to the stocks, so I've already mentioned all the stocks which had a trend change day today, from Intellect to Laurus Lab. Kindly market today. ICICI Bank did nothing, and if you see the difference between the high and the low is hardly 10 rupees. So kindly use this, because for ICICI on an important yearly date, the difference is only 10 rupees. Possibility 1:3, 1:5 is very much possible in ICICI Bank if it breaks the high or if it breaks a low. So don't marry the stock based on the level, be with the level. Okay, and LNTFH, we took the position today, and we have added two more stocks in our portfolio today. That's for long-term investment, and we are actually eyeing one commodity which is going to be a multi-bagger from here on. So we are doing our homework, and I've told my people to open an account also, because this cannot be traded in India. So we are doing our homework on that. So that's going to be a multi-bagger return in the coming years to come. So we are doing that research already. So this is actually done, and for tomorrow, Ancient Paints, PI Industries, and Sun Pharma for tomorrow. And believe me, whenever everybody was negative about Asian Paints, the trend change date came and gave the U-turn many times. So now Asian Paints, it's already in doldrum. Everybody was negative about the stock, but believe me, if everybody is negative about the stock and it is getting a trend change date, the trend will definitely change. So we will use the high and low of tomorrow. In case if the high is crossed in the next day or whenever, then obviously we will take a call to buy the stock. But in case if it breaks tomorrow's low, we should not enter the stock for a long. So tomorrow is Asian Paints, PI Industries, and Sun Pharma as a trend change date stock based on so many other aspects. So that's all, nothing more to add. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Better to play safe here. No need to, because none of the candle, the daily candle closed above the previous day high. So don't be aggressive. And we have a lot of trend change dates in the coming 3 days. Be a little bit careful. Try to play intraday. If you get at least 75 points, 100 points, get out of the market. It will come and give you opportunity. So nothing to worry about it. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So please consult your financial advisors. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07 magical number in Nifty. Thank you. Bye.